Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, October 18th. Time is around 5:30 GMT and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Wanda platform. So not much has changed in the Dow Jones. As expected, we had further corrective price action. So what I did here on my chart is I took off the secondary scenario. Like already yesterday, I told you that I did not really believe anymore that that would play out. So the scenario where this here, where we were working here on a C wave, and that this here was a wave 4, and that we should get a fifth wave down. So I took this scenario off, but what I did is I updated the chart in the sense that I'm also now expecting, like, because of this corrective price action, I'm expecting also this double correction in the Dow Jones, which means that the ABC we had so far is only one corrective leg, which is then a wave W. And so now I believe we are working on a wave X, so another corrective leg. And as a wave X, we should go here into this area, the area between the zero 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And then this wave X will be followed by another corrective leg, the Y leg, and this we will do again in 3, 1, 2, 3. Be it an ABC structure, be it a WXY structure, this we will have to see later. But then that also means that I have to update my higher time frame, but I will not do this now. I just would like to have a bit more confirmation before I start to adapt my charts in the higher time frame. But for the trading, it does not really matter now what's how the higher time frame is labeled. So just do not pay attention to this part here. We will focus for now on the part starting from here. And so I'm expecting a WXY structure, and we are currently working on the wave X in my opinion. Here on the 4 hour, we are seeing that we are in an upward cycle. I believe in the daily, we can also notice in the daily. And actually, I'm also expecting more upside, but in a corrective wave. I think so far we have, or we are doing here, a WXY structure, and I think we are working on the wave Y. So if we look here at the 1 hour, so here is our low, and so far I think we had an A, B, C right here, 3 waves as a wave W. Then we came down shallow wave X. So normally as a wave X, we are supposed to reach the area here, the 0.5 FIB retracement. We came quite close but did not reach it, but we reacted here nicely from an equal leg area. As you can see, if we take the length of this leg, the length of this leg, then here perfect reaction from this area. Then next, I think we had an impulse here as a wave A. This, it looks like the classic pattern of an impulse here. So a wave 1, a wave 2, then this here, or wave 3. This, the strongest RSI reading came down as a 4, and then a fifth wave with divergence. So I think our wave A is finished here. And then the next step would be to go into wave B area. So the wave B area is situated right here. If we take the length of the wave A, then we have here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 Fib retracement is the wave B area. And then from this area, we can expect our C wave to finish this wave W. I'm sorry, this wave Y, which is then the end of the wave X. So that would be my main expectation. This kind of corrective behavior. So first down again before we go up again. So not really impulsive behavior, but corrective. Here, the secondary scenario shows the scenario where the low is in here. So starting an impulse from here, then we could have a wave 1, a wave 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be the first impulse then as a wave 1. And if this scenario plays out, then the next step would be to go into wave 2 area. Here, the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 Fib retracement. So that would be the scenario where the low is in here and where we have our first impulse up. But to be honest, I do not really believe in this scenario. Because I think we are acting corrective here. This is ending like way too strong, in my opinion, for an impulse. For an impulse. Indeed, it's way too strong for an impulse right here. So also on the 4-hour. I do not really like what I see right here. We did not really break the RSI trend line in the 4-hour. This is something I like to see when we are doing an impulse. That did not happen. So I prefer to stick here or take the corrective scenario as my primary scenario. More upside, but in a corrective wave. And then once we reached this area, or once this structure is completed here, I think we are missing 2 more swings, a swing down and a swing up. Then we are ready, in my opinion, to go down again. And then eventually we will also take out the low right here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.